Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the main constructor tags for markup. There are more than 100 tags in total, but in my work I use about 20 main ones. So I will share with you the main tags of which are quite enough to create a high quality website. For this I create the empty project as a previous video. So let's start it. In the video, I will get acquainted with the main tags such as header, nav, main, aside, section, div, footer. There exist paired and unpaired tags. Paired ones contains of two tags opening and closing, and unpaired ones from one. In this video, we will talk about paired tags. Uh, the first tag is header. The header tag specifies the header of the site or section, which usually contains the site. The next tag is tag nav. The nav tag defines site navigation. If there are several blocks of links on the page, then prioritize links as usual placed on the nav. Nav can contains in header or just be separate of header. The next tag is main. Main tag for main content of the document. The content should be unique and not include typical blocks like header, nav, and another. Um, the next tag it will be aside. Define the blocks on the side of the content for placement of categories, links, archives, text, and other information, such as block as usual, call it its sidebar. The next tag it will be tag section. Section specify a section of document can be used for news section, content information, tabs in dialog box, and more. A section usually contains a heading. You can nest one section tag inside another. The next tag is tag div. Div it's a really good tag. It's very needed for your work. It's the tag block element and designed to highlight a fragment of the document in order to change the appearance of the content. Typical is the appearance of the block controlled by style. And the last tag on this video it's tag footer. Footer tag set the footer of the site or section. It can contain the name of the author, the date of the document, contact, and legal information. The tag main and the tag div, as usual, located in the tag main like this. And I want to show you the how it will be in the practice. We have the header block, nav, main that includes section and div, aside, and footer like this. Uh, for example, we just text several words for this text, and I just show you how it will be. For example, like this. And we see the results. All blocks elements start on a new line, like this. regardless of how much content is located there. We will talk about the defines with lowercase text in the next video. There are a good site for get acquainted with HTML, and you here can read about how use the HTML tag, what is this, some introduce what is HTML, and I talk about it in the previous video, and you can just read and practice uh, here. All links I will stay in the description under the video. In this following lesson, we will talk about text for working with content. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss the new release. Also, put likes and write comments. I will be happy to answer. See you soon in the new video.